You guys have been absolutely fucking amazing tonight. Thank you so much. What an incredible crowd. Thank you guys so much. I'm fucking speechless. Love you so fucking much. This is our last song for now, though. This one's called Heatwave! We'll be back as soon as we can. Oh my God.